element which tend to gain electrons, that is form anions, that is negative ions, called nonmetals. There are 22 nonmetals are found. Most of nonmetals are gaseous. Solid nonmetals are carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, iodine. Liquid nonmetal is bromine. Gaseous nonmetals are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and chlorine. Many nonmetals are found in their free state in the atmosphere. Oxygen and nitrogen are the examples of such type of nonmetals. These nonmetals also exist in the form of their compound like oxides and nitrides. The nonmetal sulfur exists in their free form as well as their compound states as sulfides and sulfates. The nonmetal carbon is also exist in its free form, that is native form, and its compound form. The native form of carbon is diamond and graphite and fluorescence, and its compound form are carbon dioxide, carbonate and bicarbonate. The physical properties of metals. All metals show some common physical properties. There is, however, some variation in each property from metal to metal. Malleability. Metals are malleable. This means that metals can be hammered into very thin sheets. Gold and silver are among the most malleable metals. Both gold and silver can be hammered into thin foils much thinner than the thinnest paper. Ductility. Metals are ductile. That means the metal can be drawn into thin wire. All metals are not equally ductile. That is, some metals are more ductile than others. Gold, silver and copper are among the most ductile metals. For example, we can draw a wire of about 200 meter length from 100 milligram of silver. Thermal and electrical conductivity. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals permit heat and electricity to pass through them. Silver, copper and aluminium are good conductors of heat and electricity. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. Copper is the next best conductor of electricity. Gold, aluminium and tungsten are good conductor of electricity after silver and copper. Mercury and iron differ greater resist to the flow of current. Therefore, mercury and iron are not good conductor of electricity. Luster. Metals are lustrous. This means that metals are shiny. The characteristics sign of metals is called metallic luster. Metals can be polished. Tensile. Metals have high tensile strength. Metals are very strong. They can bear a lot of stress. Most metals except sodium and potassium are hard. Sodium and potassium metals can be easily cut with a knife. Osmium is hard enough to scratch glass. Melting and boiling point of metals. Most metals except sodium and potassium have high melting and boiling points. The melting points of copper 1083 degree Celsius, iron 1539 degree Celsius, silver 960.8 degree Celsius, sodium 97.9 degree Celsius, potassium 63.8 degree Celsius. Now the boiling point of copper 2310 degree Celsius, iron 2450 degree Celsius, silver 1955 degree Celsius, sodium 882 degree Celsius, potassium 760 degree Celsius. Metals except sodium and potassium have high densities. Most metals have high density. Sodium and potassium has much lower density. Sonority. Metals are sonorous. Metals, when hit by a hammer, produce a characteristic metallic sound. This is called sonority. All metals except mercury are solids. Under normal conditions, all metals are solids. Mercury is the only metal which is liquid under normal conditions. Metals can form alloy with other metals. Metals can form homogeneous mixtures with other metals. Such solid homogeneous mixture are called alloy. For example, copper and zinc dissolve in each other to form an alloy called brass. Some common physical properties of nonmetals. Nonmetals are brittle. Solid nonmetals break up into pieces when pressed hard or hammered. For example, sulfur and red phosphorus are brittle. Nonmetals are neither ductile nor malleable. Solid nonmetals cannot be drawn into wires and beaten into leaves sheets because they are brittle. Non-metals are insulators. Non-metal do not conduct heat and electricity. This is because they do not have free electrons. However, graphite is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals do not have luster. That means non-metals are not shiny. However, graphite and iodine are the only non-metals which have metallic luster. As a result, non-metals cannot be polished. Non-metals usually have low densities and are soft. Diamond is an exception. Diamond is the hardest natural substance known in earth. Non-metals have low tensile strength. Solid non-metals can be easily broken. Non-metals have low melting and boiling points. However, graphite has a high melting point. Its melting point is 3700 degrees centigrade. Sulfur and phosphorus have low melting points. White sulfur melts at 44 degrees centigrade and sulfur melts at 115 degree centigrade. Non-metals are non-sonorous. That means non-metals do not produce sound when hit with an object.